Hey, what's up? Evan here. A very quick tutorial on the flag of Micronesia. This is a flag with 4 stars, a pretty simple design. So a couple of years back, I designed the Singapore flag. You can see in the top right corner. And I went on the design spree of flags with 2 colors and stars. So a few examples will be the flag of Vietnam, Somalia, as well as Turkey. And now this is another edition, the flag of Micronesia. What you're gonna do is to find a blue colored paper and white on the other side, blindfold. Now you want to develop the star molecule, halve it, quarter it, eighth, 16, and up 1 layer. So you get 5 lines. Repeat on all 4 sides. Now you have the pre-crease for the star molecule. Perfect. You can see how it's developed at the top right corner. What you're gonna do now is to do a pleated zinc fold. Here you do a spread fold on both sides of each star. Now repeat on all 4 sides. Bam! Okay, so very simple. Now you have 5 appendages for the stars. Spread them out in a star shape and peel out a little layer of paper to reveal the white color behind it. And similarly repeat on all 4 sides. And bam! Here, just aim the little arrow to the line on both sides as a guiding point. Bring the other star, fold it in place, and repeat on all 4 sides. Okay, you're nearing the end, so just turn behind and narrow down the flag a little bit because the Micronesia flag is not a square. Just so as long you see a little bit of the arrow popping up and you should be fine. Just make sure on the bottom it's equidistant. And you're done. So just glue up all the loose edges and you should be fine. So if you enjoyed this video, do like and subscribe. Do check out more flag tutorials and the design story behind the Singapore flag. Check out more tutorials in my channel. I will see you there.